Good morning, friends. Today, our gardener Muntu Ghodai is revealing the nursery secret of growing French marigold, how to grow French marigold from its seeds, and French marigold in winter season. This is the best flowering plants. If you want to grow, you can get at least 10 to 12 color options in French marigold, and the plants are dwarf in height and they are very beautiful and hundreds of flowers you can get from a single plant. Here the soil mixture they are preparing one part vermicompost, one part cow dung compost and one part coco peat. These all three are mixed together and dried under sun for 3 to 4 days consecutive days and then sieved properly, and these are ready, and this is the media for growing the any kind of seeds you can grow in this media, and this is the best media for growing seeds of these are all imported seeds we have bought from the some of these shops, some beautiful good quality shops I have in Kolkata. So before that sowing the seeds you have to water it properly, but you have to sprinkle water 2 to 3 times and a very little amount of water you have to spray apply, and rest assured that the water is going to up to half of the soil mix, not at the bottom. Now I am taking out the seeds from here. This is Pan American seeds I have bought from Libix Abrocam from in Kalighat area. This is the 1000 seeds packet. I bought it for around 600 rupees. This packet in 1000 seeds packet I bought in 600 rupees, and this is the best quality French marigold. This is the French marigold mixed color variety, and there are around 10 to 12 color options in these seeds here. And now taking out the seeds from here, one thing I'll tell you, whenever you sow the seeds you have to take out the whole seeds and you have to grow all the seeds, and don't keep it for future, because if you keep it back then there may be moisture and the seeds may be spoiled. So you have to grow all the seeds. Here I am spreading the seeds here, and there should be a gap between the two seeds. I will maintain some proper gap in between the two seeds, and you see in one tray you can grow around 100 to 200 seeds. If you grow 100 seeds in one tray, 1 foot diameter tray, that would be nice. And if you want in nursery technique, you can grow up to 200 seeds you can grow in this one tray. So not more than that, because if you are growing more than that there would be crowding effect and there may be some fungal infection. If you grow and more and more seeds, then there may be some fungal infections. So you have to be very careful while sowing the seeds, spreading the seeds. There should be gap between the two seeds, and after you have all the sowing the seeds, you have to cover the seeds with the same soil media that we have prepared, and the soil media I will be applying very thin cover around 2 to 3 millimeter only to cover the seeds only. That is enough. Don't make a thick cover. If you grow the thick cover, then there may be some problem in germination of seeds. So just to cover the seeds, and after you have covered the seeds you have to apply sprinkle little bit of water, small amount of water you have to sprinkle just to moisten it, and after the water is absorbed, again I am applying water here, and after the water is absorbed just cover it with a newspaper. I am covering it, and after covering it with a newspaper you have to cover with a jute bag. I will be covering, and every early in the morning I'll uncover it. I'll put some sprinkle some water here and let it uncover it around 1 hour, and again I will cover it, and then this will be done for 3 consecutive days. After 3 days I will be uncover all the things and keep it in semi-shade area so that it can receive a small amount of sunlight and every day. So this is all, and now after a couple of days I am showing the results. Friends, this is the result after 6 days. You can see germination has done beautifully germination, and the seedlings is growing, and tulip seedlings are here you can see, and the stems are reddish in colors, and let them grow. I'll show you the updates. Welcome back, friends. This is the result after 15 days, and you can see beautiful seedlings around 2-inch tall seedlings, and third and fourth leaves are coming out, and these are the beautiful best variety and Pan American seedlings of this French marigold, so you can grow easily. Friends, this is the result of after 25 days, and the plants are around 3 inch and 3.5 inch tall. And now the plants are ready to be transplanted in 3 inch pot or 5 inch pot. If you want, you can grow in 8 inch pot also. This is the best plant. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.